Okay, week 15, we're going to be doing prints. This is number 128. This will be laminated and ready for you to use if you need it. We're going to be determining how fossils were preserved. So you will need modeling clay, plates, a seashell, petroleum jelly, plastic spoon, plaster of Paris, tap water, and a paper cup. Make sure we are not dumping this plaster of Paris down the sink. Please let me dispose of the plaster of Paris. So we're going to take a piece of clay, and our piece of clay, because our prints are going to be smaller because our shells are smaller, is about, I don't know, the size of a large grape. Like one of those huge grapes. So they're gonna take about a tablespoonful of clay, and they're going to make a print out of it. So let me show you what I'm doing. Maybe. All right. So they're going to take their print. They're going to take their seashell. We're going to get either a little bit of petroleum jelly or, in our case, vegetable oil, and we're going to spray that on our seashell and make sure that it's got a nice little coating of vegetable oil on it. Ava Grace, can you close the playroom door? All right, and then we are going to place the seashell onto the clay. It's a little bit uncomfortable, but not bad. So they're just going to press that into the clay until it's all the way pressed down. And then they're going to pry it out. After the vegetable oil is on, it pries out very easily. So they'll be able to have a very good print available. And then they'll take the plaster of Paris. So we carefully removed the seashell so that the imprint of the shell was on the clay. We're going to mix 1 spoon of plaster of Paris with 2 spoons. I'll have the ratio already taken care of for you, but we're gonna mix the plaster of Paris and then pour it into the imprint on the clay. Only about a teaspoon, maybe even a half of a teaspoon will be necessary for each print. And then we're just gonna let the plaster of Paris harden. As long as you do it before review, it will be done with plenty of time for them to take home. So it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to harden. And then they'll be able to separate that from the mold and take it home. So very fun experiment for all these kids.